All right, this is Die Hard at the Field. This was a very tragic day for my red one bird. Still was trying to maiden it. Had issues with the aileron, so I took it off. I had no right aileron. Tried to bring it down, but then it dipped into the sun, and that's all she wrote. It was in the ground. So we're gonna see if we can fix her up. Might take a day or two. We'll see if we can get her back in the air. Now this is a tough bird because she is made out of wood. So I'm going to get my epoxy out and fix her up. You gonna get one of those, Batman?
Huh?
You gonna get one of those?
I don't have the money for one of those.
Well, don't let that stop you. You don't have the money. Come, you're in the wrong hobby, right?
I'd rather get one of those.
Yeah. All right, we got her fixed up. You remember this bird? She is a tough cookie. So this is the one that was in pieces the last time you saw her. Used plenty of epoxy. So yeah, she looks good. She looks good. And as far as the issue I was having with the ailerons, I took the center one off and I put a dedicated ailerons for each or dedicated servo for each aileron. So before it was one right in the middle, and that's what I was having issues with, where it wasn't giving me enough throw on the right. So that's what caused that crash, that initial crash. But this should take care of it. Oh, no problem, no worries. So we'll see. We'll get her. It's a little too windy right now to fly her, but we'll get her up in the air sooner or later.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy?
I know, but you might want to take it easy. Looks like you what? Fifth off?
Infinity and beyond.
All right. How about you, Wilson? You good?
But think twice.
Here, let me open that for you.
That's my only advice. Come on now.
There you go.
Who do you think you are? Bless your soul.
Who's in charge here?
You're in control.
This is an intergalactic emergency.
All right, go ahead. Told you not to eat all those hot dogs. Maybe next time you'll listen.
Don't worry, everything's fine.
You're welcome. Buzz!
I remember when I lost my mind. so much space.
This episode of Die Hard at the Field brought to you by Sink Rate Repair. If we can't fix it, it's broke. Visit us online at Sink Rate Repair. Pull up! .com.